In order to create a concavity at the waist, a dart must be made in each of these 5 seams and in the side seam. We do not dart into the seam for the loops. It should always be just a line. A dart along this line will give us an unnecessary aesthetic defect. The depth of the dart along the first seam is 3.5 centimeters. The second is 2.5. The third one is 1.5 centimeters. The side seam is 2 centimeters. The next seam on the back has a 1.5 centimeters dart. And one more seam, 2 centimeters. I measure half of 3.5 centimeters to the right and to the left of the T3 point. So, 1.75 right and 1.75 left. I connect the first new point with the bust point with a line. I measure the length of this new line with a ruler. With the same length, I draw a second line from the bust point through the second 1.75 point. This is the second side of the dart. This is how I get a new point. I connect this new point to the first point 1.75. I will mark for you. I want to explain once again how to find a new point. Through the marked point 1.75 stroke, I extend the line. Now I measure the length of the first side of the dart with a ruler. The second side of the dart should be the same length. The new point on the second side of the dart is just below the waist. Now from point T1 down, I measure 11 centimeters and draw a horizontal line. This is a reference line. 11 centimeters is a constant. This line crosses the line of the first seam at this point. I connect this point with the point 1.75 with a line. The bottom line of this corset is just above the reference line. If we wanted to make a shorter corset,